Hi everyone, this is Harry from Solar Juice with another juicy update this week. Now what I'd like to do first of all is really thank you guys for all the feedback that you guys pushed back to us under the marketing@solarjuice.com.au email. And what we found was somebody actually asked a question about our AC battery label solution, that they wanted to have a look at that a little bit more in depth. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring that up on the screen and for you to have a look at. Okay, great. Now, further to that, what I also want to put forward is that we were really happy with you guys giving us that feedback, sending through the emails to marketing@solarjuice.com.au, and we want more of those tech questions, because what we're going to do is really, for the best ones that come through, we're going to give you guys a free jacket. That's right. Every week that someone pumps in a new question and it seems to dazzle us a lot, we will give them a free jacket. That's right, guys. Very limited at the moment, so do please push your questions ASAP. All right, number two, we'll just now bounce into the SA Smarter Homes program. Now, this program was instigated last month on the 28th of September at midnight. And what that meant is that really your inverter had to be internet capable. That was the first thing. Able to be remotely connected and disconnected. We have 3 inverters at the moment on our price list already capable of doing that, and that's none other than Veronius, SMA and Sungrow. Do watch out for more brands. All right, one other last thing that I'd like to promote and push through today is our community engagement part. Now, at the moment, we have REC Solar, who we've just partnered up with, and we're going to be doing the REConstruct. Now, this REConstruct is 50 systems at 6.5 kilowatts each. Now, this is to help the guys, unfortunately, who were ravaged by the bushfires that happened down in southeast New South Wales and Victoria, the Gippsland region. We want to help those guys out and we want to give away those systems. So do apply on the link provided below, and we will push that through and you'll be able to do that. And what I'd like to do now is wrap it all up. Again, say thank you for you guys being with us today, and also hand over to our folk over at Form Bay. Thank you, bye.
Hello, this is James from Form Bay with the stats. The industry created 739,000 STCs last week. It's less than usual due to the long weekend. That's 34,000 STCs over the run rate. Based on current projections, we're still on track to reach the target on the 28th of October this year. The price has moved up 20 cents to $38.40 since last week. Back to you.
Hi guys, Doug here from 3 Quotes. It's been a pretty average week this week, with volumes pretty much stable across the country. The only real change has been a lot of interest from interstate installers in the Victorian market, and quite a bit of purchasing going on for unserviced Victorian leads over the last week or so. That should be interesting as Victoria emerge out of the crisis. That'll make that market just that much more competitive. That's all from me this week, so have a great week and talk next week. Thank you.